Hello, today I am going to share with you about other instructions, which is negate, absolute, less than or equal, greater than or equal, less than, greater than instructions. So let me create a new file, right? Okay, let's say insert a few round. Okay, we insert this virtual switch, and then I will go to compute or math instructions tabs to select NEG, negate, and then I will go to advanced math, and I select this absolute value. So the negate is something that will change the sign from positive to negative, meaning it will change a positive value to negative value, or from negative value to positive value. This is negate. As for absolute value, this function will change positive or negative value into positive value. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, this source must be the address, not the constant value, but source B can be a constant or address. Okay, so I will give this time I use a floating point. Okay, I click property, I will increase the element. Okay, this one I address and can drag to here. Maybe I will insert maybe negative 23.78. Okay, the destination I will put this F8 or floating point 8 column 1. Okay, if you're not sure how to write the address, you can hover your cursor above the value. It will show you the address. Okay, like this one. Okay, it will show you the address. Okay, for this I will use this, and destination I will use this address. Okay, maybe number 2 I will key in negative 92.4534. Okay, so let me compile the file to make sure there's no error. Okay, so operand not entered, that means the address not entered, so I will use maybe binary 3 column 0, okay, word zeros slash bit 0. Okay, I copy the address here, then change the bit. Alright, okay, compile the file one more time to make sure no error, then I click here to select download. Okay, you can save into your hard disk. Maybe this one I'll say negate and absolute. Okay, then click here to select run. Okay, see what will happen. Okay, let me drag this one to here, and then double click this file, the floating point file. Okay, now negative 23.78. Alright, this one negative 92.4534. See what will happen if I trigger this one to close. See, the negative value will change to positive value. How about I change to positive value? Maybe I key in 565.989. See, it will change to negative value. As for this one, the negative value, it will change to positive value. Okay, because absolute means turn all the value to positive value. Okay, let me toggle it, and you can see it become a positive value. Alright, okay, let me maybe open another new file. Okay, Alright, okay, I will insert this, and then I will go to compare. Click the compare tab, then you can select the instruction here. Here I will select maybe less than. Okay, you can see this instruction, the compare instruction appear at the leftmost. It means it is an input instruction. If the instruction appear at the rightmost side, it is an output instruction. Alright, so this one I use less than or equal. For this one I use greater than, and this one I use greater than or equal. Okay, so this I use this output. Alright, so this one maybe I would use digital output column 0/0. Okay, then I copy down, copy down, copy down. This I will change to bit 1. This I will change to bit 2, and then this I will change to bit 3. Okay, so as for this one, I will use a floating point instead of integer. Okay, I increase the element number. Okay, this one I will use this address, this one I will use this address, and this one I will use this one I will use this, and this I will use this address, then this one I will use this address, and the rest of the two I will use a constant number, maybe 10.7767. This one is 98.456. Alright, so let me compile it to make sure no error, and then I will click download. Okay, you can save it into your hard disk, right? So this one is compare. Then click here to run the program. Okay, so this I will give a value. Okay, maybe I give a value here 10. Okay, F81 maybe I give a value maybe 12.78. Okay, you can see if I give any value, this value source A less than source B, this value lesser than this value, so the output virtual output coil will be energized. In this value, let's say is a negative 23.8. Okay, is this value lesser or equal to this value? Yes, it's lesser. That's why the output is energized. How about if I put same value, negative 23.8? Yes, the output still energized because source A is either equal or lesser. Then it, then it will energize the output. How about if I put negative 22? This is lesser than this. If I put negative 10, it will be same. Alright, so for this greater than, okay, I can change the value here 10, enter. So 10 is not greater than 10.67, that's why the output is not energized. Then how about I put 21.56? See, the output is energized because source A value is greater than source B value. Okay, then how about this? Source A is not greater than source B value, right? So if I change the value to 98, so it's still not energized because it's not greater or equal. Let's say I put negative, let's say 98.456. So this will energize the output because this instruction is for greater than or equal. This one is equal, source A equal to source B. So that's it. Thank you.